Hi guys, thank you very much for joining me here today. My name is Rose and this is Easy to Cook at Home. Today I'm making a chocolate self-saucing sponge. Oh, it's a bit of a tongue twister, isn't it? It's a really nice, easy dessert. It's great if you've got friends or family dropping by and you don't have anything on hand, because most of the items you'll probably have in your pantry anyway. It's also great for the kids during the week. It's nice and simple and easy, but it's lovely, rich and chocolatey. I'll leave a list of the ingredients in the description box below. Super easy, so let's get started. First of all, I'm going to put the flour. This is self-raising flour, and also the caster sugar, and also half of the cocoa powder. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Just give that a good old sieve. A pinch of salt. And then into this jug I have some melted butter. I've got 50 grams of melted butter. To that I'm adding some whole milk. Just give that a mix through. Into the flour mix we add the milk and the melted butter. Just mix it through thoroughly. This is so easy. Super easy. Just mix that so it's well combined. Spread down the sides. Okay, now that it's all combined, I'm going to put it into a 2-litre dish. Okay, so just put it into a 2-litre dish. Spread it around. On top of that, I'm sprinkling over the last 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder, cocoa powder. Sprinkle it on the top. And also the brown sugar. On top of that, I'm putting boiling water, and then I'm going to put it directly into the oven, and then I'll bring you back. I'm putting a tray underneath the dish in case it bubbles over. It's always a good idea. Okay, so it's been in the oven for 40 minutes, and you can see that it's cooked. It's got a lovely sauce underneath it there. So cake on the top, really heartwarming. Self-saucing sponge. Look at that. Gonna give it a taste test. That is chocolatey. Yummy and chocolatey.
Well, I do hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave your comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye for now and hope to see you soon. Bye.